Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Forms to Power BI. Power BI is a powerful tool for data visualization and business intelligence. If you're collecting surveys, responses, and customer feedback or any structured data through Google Forms, you can connect it to Power BI for real-time reporting and dashboards. And here's how to integrate Google Forms with the Power BI step by step. The first step is to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Once logged in, you can create a new blank form, for example. Give it a title and a description, and once you add questions right here, click on Publish and go to the Responses tab and click on Link to Sheets. Select Create from this option right here, and all responses now will automatically be stored in Google Sheets. The second step is to get the Google Sheets link for Power BI, and to do that, open the Google Sheets like this one right here and click on Share. Just click on File, then click on Share, click on Share with Others, and change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and then copy the link. Third step is to import Google Sheets to data to Power BI, and to do that, open Power BI Desktop. You can download it. Let's search for Power BI. Now, after you download the Power BI by entering your email, etc., the second step is to open the desktop app and click on Get Data on Web and paste the Google Sheets link. After that, click Load to import data, and as for the fourth step, transform the data in Power BI using Power Query Editor to clean, format, and analyze responses, and remove empty fields and filter data and create a new calculated columns. As for the fifth step, create visual reports by dragging fields into Power BI charts, graphs, and tables, and set up real-time dashboards to monitor responses dynamically. And for the sixth and final step, automate data refresh by going to Power BI, go to Schedule Refresh under Data Sets, Settings, and connect Power BI to Google Drive API or a cloud connector for automatic updates. And that's it for today's tutorial. Connecting Google Forms to Power BI allows you to analyze responses in real time, create dashboards, and gain deeper insight into your data. By importing Google Sheets data into Power BI, you can make better data-driven decisions with interactive reports. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.